Dun dun dun. Look who I'm parking next to, huh? Actually, that's a pretty impressive looking truck and trailer, huh? Looking good there, reliable. Vehicles taken seriously. Look, he's got his switch in a steel cage. That's kind of cool. It's a pretty sweet trailer. Man, look at this one. It looks terrible. He's got it all polished. You can see reflection in it. Wow, look at this contraption here. Pretty good there. Yeah, he is looking pretty sweet. Oh look, he's leaving. There you go. Right by the Harbor Freight. Did you guys see the new Ferrari SUV come out? It's, I believe it's pronounced Purosangue, or it stands for thoroughbred. It's a naturally aspired V12 6.5 liter, 725 horsepower and 716 torque, 0 to 60 in 3.3, with a top speed of 193 miles an hour. A little bit disappointing for me, but yeah, it is what it is, and the price will be about $400,000 to start. So yeah, Ferrari now has an SUV. What do you think about it? Comment below, let me know. Welcome on showmeyourtruck.com. So Nick was driving the same way I was. That was kind of cool. There's his YouTube channel, look him up. I'll put a link in the description below. And we just hung out a little bit.
This to protect my
wow.
skin.
He told me to take my shoes off right away. Wow, look at this. This is like Rolls Royce. Oh my goodness. Look at that, a candle. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, just leave them, or whatever. Do they fall?
Clean?
Couples prayers.
Yeah.
Серьезный мужик. And he's got the Bible right there, right?
Yeah.
And air, ozone.
Cleans
And
my
smelly
air so
can.
it's not dusty. This bucket is water. I always clean my truck.
Yeah. And you got a refrigerator, huh?
Yeah, refrigerator.
Sweet.
So right here, I keep all my dress clothes.
Why don't you take your... Oh, you're not married yet, right?
No.
When you're married, will she go with you?
No.
No. Not even once?
Maybe once or twice, but...
I haven't been in a new cab like this. Look at the lights. It's like an airplane. And you got a ladder. If you hit all the bumps, this thing...
So this bed can actually go up, and there's a desk you can open, and there's 2 seats.
Oh, finally Freightliner copied Volvo, huh?
Yeah.
Or,
My fridge, pretty decent size.
yeah,
I keep baking soda in here.
coffee.
And
I
coffee.
should do that. That's a good idea.
Right here, I have all my food.
That's the emergency food, right?
Yeah, and lights.
And a TV.
I don't use this.
That there. Yeah, pretty sweet.
My iPad right here.
Yeah.
My logbook.
Cool.
Google Maps.
Вот это серьезный тракист. You want to go see a Ferrari? So yeah, we're doing like a car show at the truck stop.
What's your birthday?
What's my birthday? It probably is your birthday.
Is this
No.
your truck?
No.
Working for someone?
Yeah, same guys. So we're doing an event, or it's a racing class. So pick which color you want.
Blue.
We have red, red, and red, and red, and red. They're all the same. They're kind of beat up. They got like damages, like you see the track. So they're cars that customers drive on the track.
Yeah.
It was
How many
easy
cars?
to load them. 6.
6? Very nice.
Yeah.
Ready?
Check this out, guys. I'm at the world's largest truck stop. There's the sign. And guess what's next to me? Guess what next to me? It's the world's largest semi-truck. Look at this thing, huh? So, fortunately, I know the owner, and I called him. I said, hey, where are you? I see your truck right underneath the sign. Look how big he is. Look at that. Both of our trucks. What a beautiful picture. Well, that was a good wash. Look how clean it looks. Even cleaner than the world's largest truck. Look at that, huh? Got a pretty nice trailer. Always a pleasure. Oh, let's check out his trailer hitch. That's how I want to make it on my Volvo. Let's see. He's just got some channels going down. That's kind of how I have it on the Volvo. Cool. So yeah, look at that. It's huge. Those are TV screens. Look at that center axle. If you go to surgethecarhauler.com, scroll down to the bottom and click on the world's largest truck button, you can go see more information about the world's largest truck and book your advertising or promoting needs with them, and you can see some things that they've done in the past. So just wanted to throw that out there. Thanks for watching. You made it to the end of the video. My name is Serge, and this is my wife Dasha, and we live in sunny South Florida, Miami area. On this channel, you'll find videos on how we pursue our American dream fueled by car hauling trucking industry. We make videos about how to find loads and get started and succeed in your car hauling American dream. And we also make personal vlogs about our American dream and how we're enjoying life together just to socialize with people like you on the internet. So if you have a look at those two, come on down
take a load to Miami and let's hang out. Also, visit our website, surgethecarhauler.com. If you really value some of these videos, some of the information we put out there, and would like to support us, maybe buy some kind of product or service that'll support us and this channel, the information that we put out there, that would be a fabulous way that you could thank us for the effort we put in these videos. These are products and services that we also like, use, and have, and believe that you may benefit greatly with them as well. So go ahead and look at the page as we continue building it